Power through tough tasks with the DEKO DKRH32LD15 Rotary Hammer, a 1500W, a multifunctional tool engineered for demolition and precision drilling. Rated at 1500W with 230 VI AC power, this hammer delivers powerful demolition and clean drilling. 1500W, 230 V AC, built for performance. This hammer delivers 0.06J impact energy per stroke, and 4,000 impacts per minute. Adjustable speed from 300 to 800 RPM. Featuring BMC construction for durability, includes 6 accessories for versatile applications. With a 2 ammeter cable and a 7.3 kg weight. CE certified for safety and compliance. It's ideal for home DIY projects, customizable and chemical-free. Originating from Mainland China under the DEKO brand. Tackle any job with confidence. Upgrade your toolkit. Strength and versatility in one.